Okay, the way you set this operation up, okay, the idea, what we're trying to do is we're going to make this all round. You see how it's square right here, and we're just barely starting to make it round. So I got a lot of cutting to do before it's completely round. If I was going to make a cap for a fork on a bike, I would make this all round, and then I would thread it, and then I would thread the inside of that fork tube, and then, you know, it'd screw right in. But so I found the zero came up to the side, found zero. Okay, I'm gonna come in 15, every 15 here, so it's gonna bring it in this way, 15. So we're at 35, so or we're at 30, so we're gonna go to 45. So that's 15, so it brought it in 15. So now I can start my machine, alright? And then now the machine's on, I'm gonna bring it in to zero. That's right when it'll start cutting, and then I'm gonna come around 248. I'm gonna be cutting 250, 250, 250 until it's totally round. So I'm past zero because I brought it out past. So I'm gonna come to zero, and then I'm gonna go 1, 2, up 250, 248, back out, and then go in 15, do it again, 250, 250.